guys, Johnny here. I had an amazing day yesterday. I went on a pretty nice drive and I found something sweet I know you'll love. So, as you all know, I have a little bit of an obsession with the CT1 models of Yamaha. Preferably like the 1973 has been the one I've had for a long time that I've been restoring recently, just in the last 6-7 months or so. I am super stoked about this. I can barely stand it, so I'll show you what's up. New to me, 1969 CT1 I just got yesterday. I can barely even talk about this machine because I am so excited about it. There is literally nothing I love more than a good old-fashioned bike, other than a good old-fashioned bike in great condition. Yeah. So one thing we've got here is this amazing paint job. Sorry the lighting is not that great in here, but this gas tank is absolutely immaculate. This one could literally go for 500 bucks online. Just the gas tank in the condition it's in. Once again, we do have one of those like poorly fitting seat issues here that, come on mama, that produces this ring around the gas tank here. But there's so much little rust there, and honestly, it can be buffered out and paint matched and it will be just perfect. Rear fender still has the shine on it, guys. I mean, how good can that be? No dents, very minimal little rust like right here. Back rack's in primo condition. This light is so freaking cool. Look at that. That's so amazing. Wheels are in great condition. Chain's in great condition. Look at this oil reservoir, you guys. Look. How beautiful is that oil reservoir, you guys? Come on. Too damn good. So stoked. Everything is there. We even have the wiring still hooked up. It's in great condition. Got the battery box. All the wiring's there. We'll lift this baby up off of here. Inside of the gas tank there, really great shape. One thing I can't get off there is the damn gas cap. We're working on that still. This thing is kind of stuck on there. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this amazing 1969 CT1 Yamaha I got yesterday. Wiring is all there. Pretty stoked. Can't beat that color on there. Front fender is in great shape. I'm just stoked, you guys. Had to share this with you. It's interesting now because I have 3 motorcycles. 2 are 1969. One is a 1973. But they're all in varying conditions of repair. So, as you can see, we have this AT1 that's just been stripped down. It's got nothing on it. Basic, bare minimum, getting ready to be repainted and cleaned up. We have the 1973 Yamaha CT1. Engine's in there, exhaust, everything. That's waiting to be wired. It's already been painted. Getting the gas tank refurbished. Got all the electric work still to do. 1969 Yamaha CT1. Wiring is done. Paint is done. Gonna have to get the rest of the wiring done for the headlight and everything like that, obviously, and get a new battery and some other stuff like that. But we have 3 shades of not done, almost done, and mostly done. So I'm really stoked about this, guys. I had to rearrange my whole shop yesterday to be able to fit all these babies in here, but really excited. When I got my 1969 Yamaha CT1 yesterday, it was mostly put together, and it came with a box of goodies, as I call it. And so I'm just going to review with you here real quick the goodies that I had in there that makes this bike kind of more complete. So this was a bike that was basically a barn find. So it's in great condition, no rust on the body. Basically the main rust that we're seeing here is on the exhaust tank, which is, you know, pretty usual. This is the original battery, which obviously we're not going to use, but how cool is that? We got the magneto that's been taken apart here. We'll work on that. This is unfortunately cracked, and the backing is fractured in there too. So, but we do have a really great rim for that, and we'll be able to get that fixed up. Here we have the chain guard, pretty good condition. Ignition. It's kind of cool marbled effect on this. Pretty sweet. Spare spark plug. One thing I was super stoked about is I was thinking to myself, gosh, I'm gonna have to find another carburetor, which was pretty hard to find. Even just finding that AT1 was kind of difficult online and pretty expensive. So it's pretty stoked. In that box, in the very, very bottom, was this original Mikuni carburetor. It's going to take a little bit of cleaning and everything, but I'm really excited to have that. That'll save me about 150 bucks. Original petcock here. A little bit better condition than the other 1969, which is missing that piece right there. We do have a speedometer and airbox, and that's about it. But I just wanted to share those parts and pieces with you that I got for that 1969 CT1 yesterday. I'll tell you, icing on the cake right there. All right, later guys.